Hello and welcome to Day 20 Stodola Pumpa. This is a quick, happy, upbeat piece of music. The Stodola stands for barn in Czech, but I'm not sure what the Pumpa is. Anyway, it's supposed to be fun and upbeat. The rhythm is very repetitive with 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and the notes change. So this is good practice for that. I will play the melody first, then the harmony. I will give 2 counts to count in, then there'll be 2 counts of silence before we play. You may play the melody both times or the harmony, whichever you choose. Here we go. 1, 2. Harmony. 1, 2. So with the harmony, these notes are a little bit low, and you just need to practice to get the right sound for that zone of your partial. The A flat is an A flat, not an A natural, so it's 3rd position because of the key signature. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button, as the boys say. Have a great day.